Yeah, dude.
Your boy is struggling. Good morning. Today is leg day, and if you can't hear, it is raining outside. So I did have a leg day scheduled, part of the jump program, and that included a warm-up, sprints, drop jumps, deadlift, deep squats, reverse step-ups, pull-ups, push-ups, and sub-maximal running. But I thought it'd be a little bit more fun to have AI create today's leg workout and still do some deadlifts and deep squats because I wanted to keep that in the workout. So, as you saw in the intro, it did a pretty good job of creating a 60-minute leg workout based on strength and plyometrics. And I also said, please include deadlifts and back squats. And so what they came out with was a warm-up of 5 to 10 minutes of light cardio, dynamic stretching, deadlifts, 3 sets of 8 to 12 reps with heavy weight, back squats, 3 sets of 8 to 12 reps of heavy weight as well, plyometric box jumps, Bulgarian split squats, single leg hip thrusts, lateral jumps, and a cool down with 5 to 10 minutes of static stretching. This is so cool, and this is actually a workout that I would probably do. It seems not bad, so that's what I'm gonna be doing. And yeah, I am so impressed. Like, this is so cool. But yeah, let's get the workout started. For the light cardio, I'm gonna hop on the Echo bike and of course do some dynamic stretching, and then I will start with deadlifts. Your boy is struggling. Yikes! All right, finally made it to the cool down, which is static stretching. So I will do that and give you my thoughts of what I think in general. Overall, like, this is so cool. Like, this just shows the power of, you know, the advancement of technology, AI specifically, and there are a lot of benefits to this, as well as there could be some drawbacks as well. But overall, I think net, it's a positive, good thing. And when I am talking about this in general, I'm talking about using this technology to pick workouts. So I will leave the scope to that. So one of the main reasons why it's hard for people to work out, exercise, is because they don't know what to do. This solves that problem directly. So I type, like, give me a 60-minute workout, leg day, I wanna do deadlifts and squats, and then program the rest. So it gave me a warm-up, it gave me a variety of exercises, what order to do them in, how many reps, how many sets, as well as a cool down. It didn't program the specific numbers, so I'm very curious if I like told it, oh, my 1 rep max of back squat is for 405 pounds? And then would it actually give me specific weights to use? Or maybe an RPE to use? That would be very interesting that I'm probably gonna play with later. But yeah, it eliminates, you know, decision fatigue, like what workouts should I do when I get to the gym. That is so cool in itself. Another reason why it's good is because it could introduce you to different exercises for leg day that you typically don't do. And for me, the main thing that I typically don't do is actually hip thrusts, and it programmed single leg hip thrusts, which I kind of looked awkward doing because I don't really do it that often. But including exercise variety can help you battle against plateaus, make it a little bit more interesting, hit different muscle groups that you typically don't hit. So that's another reason why I think it's good. So some things to take into consideration when using this might be, you know, it doesn't know maybe any injuries that you have. So maybe you have a knee problem or a shoulder problem or something that might inhibit your ability to do certain exercises. Well, then trusting this is probably not the smartest thing to do. With the caveat, maybe you can input like I have some knee issues or I have jumper's knee. I don't know how smart it is, but that's one thing I would be wary of is if you have any nagging or serious injuries that you should be taking into consideration as far as which exercises you should be doing, then using AI to do that might not be the smartest thing right now. But who knows? That's kind of a question mark. But that's something you should definitely consider if you're thinking about maybe using this for one of your workouts. Another thing to take into consideration is access to equipment. So I didn't really specify in my comment or question like what gym equipment I have access to. So maybe it's smart enough to know like, hey, I have dumbbells, I have a barbell, I don't have this. Or maybe you could be more specific and say, I only want to do body weight exercises. So that's another thing that I just don't know the answer to because I haven't tried it enough. But overall, I'm just like, wow, this is so cool. I'll probably use it in the future, mainly for upper body exercises or maybe some ab workouts. Since most of my lower body days, I already am following a program, except for today because I thought it'd be fun to try it. But let me know if you have any questions or if you have used it at all for any other type of, you know, just chatting experience, because yeah, it's kind of crazy that we're living in this world where this is actually a reality now. Scary, but also really cool. If you enjoyed that, like, comment, subscribe, and yeah, I had a lot of fun. So thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one. See ya.